Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today start Senior Salesforce Service Cloud Specialist Interview Questions. Very important video. Start the questions. First question: can you explain how you handle data migration and clean during a service cloud implementations project? I conduct a thought assignment of the existing data, identify any inconsistency of duplicate and develop a data migration plan using tools like data loaders or third-party data migration apps. I migrate data into service clouds while ensuring data quality, thought, clean, and validations. Next question: what experience do you have with implementing and customizing service clouds lightning experience? I have extensive experience in customizing service clouds lightning experience to enhance user productivity and streamline workflow. These include creating custom lighting compounds, configuring page layout, and optimize the service console. Next question: how do you approach training and supporting end user during the after service clouds rollout? I develop the comprehensive training, the materials tailored to the different user role and conduct the hands-on training sections. Additionally, I provide the ongoing support throughout the documentations and user the community to the ensure users feels confidence and empower to utilize service clouds effectively. Next questions: can you discuss a time when you had to troubleshoot a challenging issue with the service clouds? Sure, once encounter an issue where the emails to guest was not the function correctly due to misconfigure email setting. Afterthought investigations, I identify the issue, configure the email setting, and conduct the extensive testing to ensure proper functionality. Next question: how do you stay updated on the latest service clouds features and best practice? I regularly attend the Salesforce event, participate threadhead and models specific to the service clouds, and engage with the Salesforce community throughout the forum and user group. Additionally, I leverage resources like the release notes and the webinar to stay informed. Next questions: describe your the experience with the implementing service clouds features like live agent and omni channels routing. I have the successfully implemented live agent for real-time chat the support and the configure omni channels routing to the intelligently distrib case across virus the channels based on the agent the availability and skill set the improving the overall the service efficiency. Next questions: how do you approach designing a service cloud solutions trade to the specific the business is needs? I start by the understanding the business requirement and the pain points. Then I map out of the customer service process and designing a solution that delivering service clouds features such as a case management and knowledge base and automations to address those needs effectively. Next questions: what strategy do you employ to the optimize case resolution time in service clouds? I implement the automation such as a assignment rules and escalations rules to ensure case are routed to the right agent and resolve property. Additionally, I leverage the service clouds analyticals to identify bottle's name and continuously refine the process. Next questions. How do you ensure seamless integrations between the service clouds and other the system within the organizations? I follow best practice for the integrations. Utilize Salesforce API like the REST and SOAPs and middleware's platform, such as a Moonsoft and custom development when the necessary. Thought, testing, and monitoring ensure data integrity and smooth data flow between the systems. Next question. Can you explain how you handle data migrations and the cleaning during the service implementation the project? Yes, I conduct the thought assignment and of exiting the data, identify an inconsistency of duplicate and de- develop data migration plans. Next questions. What experience do you have implementing and customizing Service Cloud's Lightning experience? I have extensive experience in customizing the Service Cloud's Lightning experience to the enhance your the productivity and the streamlines workflow. This is include the creating custom Lightning the components configure page and layout and optimize the service console. Next question. How do you approach performance optimized within the service clouds ensure the optimal system pre responsive? I regularly monitor system the performance metrics and identify areas for the optimization such as reducing page load times and the optimizing data queries. I also collaborative collaborate with the developers to the find turns custom code and configurations for the improve the efficiency. And next questions, can you the discuss your the experience with the designing and implementation of the service clouds community? Yes, sure. I have the designing and implementation service clouds community to facilitate self-service support, collaborations, and knowledge sharing among the customers and the partners. These include the configures community and template and setting up the knowledge base and the customizing the community layouts. Next questions. Do you have approached the change management and users adoptions when rolling the out of the service cloud update or the enhancement? Yes, I developed the comprehensive change management plan that is include the communications strategy, training sections, and user the feedback machine to the ensure smooth adopts of the update of enhancement continue engagement and the support are key to drive the successful change within the organization. Next questions, describe your the experience with the creating and analyze service clouds report and dashboards. I have the experience in the creating custom reports and dashboards in the service clouds to track key the performance indicators KPIs such as a case resolutions time, the agent productivity, and customer certifications score. These inside the enables performance inform the decisions making and performance the optimization. Next questions. How do you approach your the adoptions challenges when the introducing new the service clouds features to the team? I emphasize the benefit of the new features and provide personalized training section to the address specific user the concern. I also gather the feedback and iterate on the implementations to the ensure the alignment with your the needs and performance. Next questions. What is measure do you have take to the ensure service clouds implementation to security and compliance standard? I implement rules based the access control the in incro sorry and other the security features within the service clouds to protect the incentive data additionality. I conduct a regular audit and collaborate within the compliance teams to the ensure uh, awareness to the industry and regulations. Next question, can you discuss, give a experience with the setting up the managing the service level agreement service clouds? Yes, I have experience to defining the SLA matrix configure and implement process and the automating SLA tracking and the escalations rules with the service clouds and ensure timely resolution of the customer issue and adherence to the service community. Next questions. How do you approach gathering and analyzing customer feedback within the service clouds? I leverage the service clouds survey functionality to the collect feedback from the customer post interaction, the additionally analyze case data and customer satisfaction scores to identify trend and areas for the improvement during the continue and enhancement of service quality. Next question, describe the situation where you had to balance competing priority within the service clouds project. In recent project, we faced tied the deadline for the implementing critical features will also the addressing the user feedback for the additional enhancement and appropriate propri- proprietarize tasks based on the impact and agency communicated the effectivity with stakeholder and manage the expectation to the ensure the successful project delivery. Thank you, friends. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channels. Thank you. Take care. Bye, friends.